Beyonce are so good. Na-realize ko na ang dami niyo din po hindi nakita. So people think na parang it was just that conversation and then done. But we got to spend 2 weeks together. I sleep beside her. So she was the one I would always say good morning to first and my good night last. Nagdi-debrief pa po kami every day. And
Parang sariling debriefing.
may sarili debriefing po kami every day na parang, how did our day go? How did you feel about this day? And same kasi po kami, like, our humor, yung pagka-maingay po namin is on the same level. So, yeah, and she taught me how to cook, and I would teach her like moves every now and then. So our friendship really got better. I'm so glad na we were able to fix things right on the spot in that house. And kaya sobrang ano po kung pagpasok niya, kasi I just wanted to fix things right away. Ayoko yung naiilang po kami or may wall between us. I wanted us to be so okay. Because in the first place, me and her, wala po kami personal problem. We just have common denominators and people who were saying things about us, which was causing this ilang factor. So I wanted to approach it right away and fix things right away.
Break the ice.
So break the ice po talaga so that we can spend the next 2 weeks, or yun nga po, kasi na-update po ako early, the next 2 weeks with no walls. And we really fixed things. We really bonded so much. And I told Harvey, I was like, kapag si Bianca, mag-hangout tayo, please. And sinabi ko din yun kay Bianca. I was like, Bianca, okay ka naman kay Harvey, no? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, okay, let's hang out. Para okay na lahat. Because it's not, if between the three of us, we're okay, I think everyone should be okay with it also.